Soap trap attractant DIY pest control products can increase pantry pest captures when used correctly. Start by preparing a basic bait using dry cereal or flour as the bulk attractant and add a teaspoon of liquid dish soap to break surface tension so larvae and adults drown more easily while also carrying scent. For scent modification, mash a quarter cup of overripe fruit until it releases juices and mix 1 tablespoon into each batch of bait, or substitute 1 tablespoon of diluted white vinegar if you prefer an acid ferment scent. Both ferment and acetic notes mimic natural food decay that stored product insects seek. Place small amounts of bait on shallow trays or in jar lids and set inside clear jars with a 1/4 inch rim gap so insects can enter but keep spills contained. Test each bait by placing paired traps, one with plain bait and one with scented bait, for 3 to 5 nights to compare capture rates and adjust scent concentration if capture does not improve. Rotate scents every 7 to 10 days to prevent habituation and to catch different pest species that respond to varying cues. Always dry and reseal stored pantry goods after testing, and use traps as a monitoring and reduction tool alongside strict sanitation rather than as the sole control method. Common mistakes include using too much soap, which can repel rather than attract, so use a light hand and prioritize surfactant function over scent. If repellency appears, cut soap by half and retest. Another issue is leaving damp-scented bait out indefinitely, which fosters secondary pests and mold. Replace or remove bait every 3 to 5 days and clean trap containers between refills. A third concern is relying solely on scented traps while ignoring sanitation. Address this by thoroughly cleaning shelves, vacuuming cracks, and storing susceptible foods in airtight containers to reduce background food cues that undermine bait efficacy. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors who can assist with pest proofing and related home repairs, and we connect contractors looking for work with homeowners. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share DIY tips like soap trap attractants, and users can ask questions, compare results, and refine techniques together.